We are in 2025 and Mumbai's biggest art festival is back in town. Yes, the Kala Ghoda 2025 is here. इस साल काला घोड़ा आर्ट फेस्टिवल का सिल्वर जुबली ईयर है. That is 25 years of this amazing art, music and cultural festival. And we are hoping it's going to be bigger and better. As always, 300 से ज़्यादा events होंगे at this festival, including the famous street art installations. These events will be held at 30 plus venues across Kala Ghoda and throughout Mumbai. The Kala Ghoda Festival 2025 starts from January 25th to February 2nd, 2025. Here on this channel and on this video, we'll be sharing the complete schedule of Kala Ghoda 2025 as soon as it's out in a few days. So ये video share and save करके रखना so that you don't miss out on any of your favorite events. And subscribe to our channel Apna Bucket List for more such informative videos of events and places.